that's my first trade. I'm trading here with my baby. Me and Belarus are trading. So this is our first trade. We're actually trading with like
5 minutes.
We're trading with 497. That's about $31. Okay. And for each trade, for instance, this one now we made 0.26.
Then we'll need 0.
That's like $1.6.
Then 165.
So we're gonna wait for another signal setup.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the one we just traded here, sell signal. So we're gonna wait for. You can see this is already one here as well. So we're gonna be waiting for another signal to trade. Probably this one. Okay, this should be another sell signal for us to trade. This one for 100. Okay, 100 gives a higher weight now. I'm talking now. Right? Both of us cannot be talking at the same time. Okay, so 100 index will give us a higher percentage, like 7.5%. While that one gave us, this one gives us 5.5%. Now, this will give us like 7.5%. We should be ready to enter. We made our entry. It is very important to enter the trade on time. You allow your entry to be timely, very timely. Okay, your entry should be very on point. So we made our entry, then we wait for the trade to pull through. Okay, we wait for the trade to pull through. So we're trading with $30. This one was supposed to give us like I think if we look at it, let it finish. When it finishes, we'll check what it can give us. It can give us a profit, probably $2 or close. Okay, so we've already won the trade, right? We've won the trade. It's going to give us 0.035. Okay, that's 35. Okay, that's like $2. So in total, like that, we've made like $3.
Yeah.
Okay, we've made like $3. So we have done two trades. You can see the reason why this one delay in winning is because the barrier is bigger than the barrier I'm using. The barrier I'm using is smaller compared to what this guy is trading, and the result has also been the same. So we've done two trades right now, and uh, I need to do one more trade. So far, we've made like probably three. If I had it together,
It will be 3.
325 plus 25 something. Okay, I think I've closed this one. Okay, plus 28. Okay, let's say 28 plus 35. That should be about 6. 6.
Is it as
6 3. Yeah, is it at 6? Okay, so our profit should be like, let's say 6 3. Okay, so this is what we've made so far. So I need to do one more trade. Okay, one more trade. If I'm able to do 100 index, 100 index will give me a higher percentage. Then I'm going to be able to make my withdrawal. Although I've made my withdrawal for yesterday, I've not just collected it yet. Okay, I've not just collected it. I'm going to collect it from here. I'm going to collect this one. So I just want to do one more trade and I will be good. So I'll pause and I'll be back when there is a signal. Yeah, pause it. I want to place a trade. Uh, it's lesser,
What?
but I've already made my entry anyway. Now this is based on because I'm distracted. We are here having fun, but I'm still confident about the trade anyway. Okay, so I've won the trade. So I'm going to actually wait for an actual signal. Where are you going? So I'm going to wait for an actual signal. The reason why this guy didn't fall here is because it was lesser than the uh, set standard. So I'm going to wait for another actual signal. I need actual signal from here. Okay, I need actual signal from here to trade with. So I'll pause and okay, I've made an entry. My internet got stuck a bit. I made my entry somewhere here, but my internet got stuck, frozen somehow. Let me even see what time I entered. 04. It was late a bit. It was a bit late. Uh, I prefer on dots, 00 on dots. That is better. That is safer. But this should be my last trade anyway. So I'm going to have to maybe pause and wait for the trade to pull through. Probably once the trade is done, then I'm done for the day. It's dancing, dangling, dangling, dancing. Okay, so probably I'll pause. Once it's done, I'll be back. All right, so my trade is done. So far, I think I've made like uh, yeah, it's actually like two. Okay, so more of like I've made this much. So that's $8. Now, many people may not understand how simple it is or how easy it is. I think it's quite difficult, but it's all just about focus. Now, under if I could remember when I started, probably maybe let's say 1 hour. Okay, it actually, let's say roughly 1 hour. Okay, so I've taken like 1 hour to make $8. Okay, $8 11 cents. If I'm to check how much that is, let's say this is all I have to do for today, 8.11 times 1,590. That's 12,800. Okay, that's 12,800 for the day. Now, how much did I use in making this $8? I need you to understand. Despite the fact that I think I did 4 trades instead of three, uh, I'm trading with zero point 0.4 so that you get to understand what zero point 0.4 is. 0.497. Now, this I'm trading with, that's $31. So if we say it's from $31 in percentage, I've actually made like 26%. Okay, 26% of the money I'm using. But you want to know how much I'm using to trade to make 12,000. So it means I'm using one 1590. I'm using roughly like 50,000 naira to make over 10,000 naira. So I'm using 50,000 to make 10,000. 50,000 to make 10,000. So you got to do 2 to 3 trades. 3 trades would have made me what I need. Okay, just simple 3 trades. So that's why I sometimes switch only when the profit margin for the other one is a bit okay. So you can see right now, uh, only when this guy is a bit okay, like now is 5%, it's lower. This one is like 7% or so. Okay, it's like 7%, 7.8%. So it's getting higher. Before it was like 6.5, 6.8. So the more the trend of the market is moving in that particular direction for the day, the barrier offset changes. But so far, so good. I've traded with this guy and I've made my profits and I'm good to go. So how much profits for the day? 1.3. Okay, I've made 1.3. Okay, 1.3, that's like $8, roughly 12,000 there. I'm good for the day. That's all. Slow, steady. If you continue to do it on a regular basis, you will be able to master it and do, in fact, spend less time. 20-30 minutes, you are done. So all you just need to do is wait for when, once there is one signal, that's when you start your trading. That's all I do. I wait for once one signal is about showing up. That's when I start my trading. Okay. So guys, this is me confirming for you again, not just showing you with a smaller trade. I think the early video I did today was with $2. Now I've shown you with $30. Okay, because 497 is what I'm using. I'm staking here is $31. Okay, I've traded the same signal setup with $31 as well. So you have seen the result. So guys, God bless you. See you in another video.